YouTube channel banner plays a crucial role in your channel branding and it shapes your channel identity. Hey guys, I'm Sachin Chaturvedi and welcome you to YouTube. In this video, I'm gonna design a YouTube banner, so let's get started. Create a new file, set the dimension to 2560 by 1440 pixels. Now draw a rectangle and set the dimension to 2560 by 423 pixels. Place it to the center, change its color to blue. Now we'll create a rectangle for the background. You can change it to any color you want because it's not part of your design. I'm changing this color to white and align these objects. Now create another rectangle and change the dimension to 1855 by 423 pixels and place it to the center. Align both the rectangle. Now go to View, Rulers, select Rulers and mark with the ruler just like this and delete the rectangle. Now I'm gonna add stars to this design. For that you just need to create a dot by using elliptical tool. Add this to scatter brush from the brush panel and press OK. Now change the size, spacing and scatter to random and move these sliders just like this. Alright, now fill up this area by using brush tool. Make the selection. Now go to Effect from menu bar. Select Blur, Gaussian Blur. Set the radius to around 4 pixels and press OK. Now you can see stars are shining. Now we're gonna create a circle at the center. Use the elliptical tool to make a circle. Change the color to white. Press OK. Align it to center. Decrease opacity to around 23%. Slightly increase the size. Now press Ctrl C, then Ctrl F to duplicate same object at same place. Now decrease size by holding Alt key and do the same. Now we're gonna make a rectangle at one half of this design. Create a rectangle and slightly decrease the size. Set the fill to none and apply stroke to the shape. Now apply gradient to the stroke. It should be like half faded. Set opacity all the way to 0. Now we're gonna use anchor point tool to move one corner of this rectangle. Drag anchor point like this. Now select the object and drag this object by holding Alt key. Rotate it 180 degrees. Now bring this smallest circle to the front. Right click, arrange, bring to front. Increase the opacity to 100%. Now go to FX, stylize, drop shadow, change X and Y offset to 0 points and press OK. Now change one side of its color to pink and make it look like half faded. Now select the shape and drag it by holding Alt key. Place it right here. Do the same with another shape. Compare with the previous one and place it right over here. Now import your channel logo and place it to the original file. Change the size accordingly. Now create a rectangle like this. and use these dots to make it rounded. Change the color to blue. Drag the shape by holding Alt key to duplicate this shape. Change its color to pink. Alright. Now move the logo to the front. Use text tool and type architecture on this blue shape. Change the size that fits in the shape. Drag the same text by holding Alt key. And now I'm typing graphic design here. These are the fields we are working on this channel. Change the color to white. Now I'm importing all these logos to my original file. These are the softwares we are gonna teach through this channel. Slightly increase the size and place all these logos accordingly. Align all these software logos. Adobe Premiere Pro, Adobe After Effects, InDesign, Illustrator, Corel Draw, Filmora, Photoshop, SketchUp, 3D Max, AutoCAD and MS Office. These are all the softwares we are going to teach through this YouTube channel, and stay connected with our YouTube channel to enhance your graphic designing and architectural skills. Align all these logos by using Align panel. If you are unable to find this panel, you can get it from the window menu. To exclude unwanted parts of this design, I'm going to create a clipping mask. For that, we just need to drag rectangle out from the background by holding Alt key. Group all the object by pressing Ctrl G. Place this rectangle right over here. Now select all the object, right click and make clipping mask. There you go. I hope you guys liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe the YouTube channel and press bell icon. Stay connected with SkillTube to learn more graphic designing tools.